In today's video, I'll be explaining what listing templates are and how to revise an item on eBay. So, let's go over them one by one, shall we? First off, you might be wondering what listing templates are. Well, listing templates are profiles that store vital predetermined information about your product that you want to list, such as duration, design templates, type of listing, return options, default quantity, and so on. Now let's go over how you'd go about creating listing templates. In order to create a listing template, you will just have to follow these simple steps. Once we have logged into AdLister and the dashboard loads up, we will be navigating to Listings, then Listing Templates. And now we click on Add Listing Template. A new page opens up where we will have to fill in required information in the fields, like giving the listing template a name, and assigning a design template, assigning a listing type, either an auction or a fixed price, assign the default quantity for the listing, specify payment options and returns. We can enable quantities to be adjusted automatically. We can add watermarks to the images that will be on the listings. And once we are done filling in all the relevant fields, we will click on Create on the bottom here, and we're done. Another thing to mention is, if you're using a seller, business, or returns profile on eBay, you can set these up in the listing template as well. Your eBay profiles will be automatically imported to AdLister once you connect your eBay. Please note that all free profiles will have to be set up in order for the items to list or revise successfully on eBay. If there are no profiles set up, the per item shipping return policies will be used. We also have the option of selecting one template that will be set as our default template, and this template would then be automatically used for all our future listings. We can do so by going back to the listing templates page, choose the template that we'd wish to assign by ticking it, and in the drop-down menu, we choose to have this template be set as our default, and then we click Apply. We can also edit an existing template by clicking Edit here, and last but not least, we can duplicate or delete the templates as well in the drop-down menu. Next up, let's go over what revising a product means. Revising a product, or product revision, refers to the process of pushing the changes you've made to the product in AdLister to eBay. In other words, if you've made any changes to your product in AdLister, these changes won't reflect right away on live eBay. You will need to push these changes to eBay. So how do we revise a product? First, let's go to the products page and select the item that we want to revise. Now let's go to the eBay drop-down here and select Revise. A window will appear with multiple options that we can choose from based on what changes we've made previously to the product. For example, if we would have changed the shipping options of the item, then we would have ticked on Postage Options and clicked on Revise. Then a message box will appear saying that the process has been started, and once it's finished, on the right-hand side here, it will show you that it has finished the job successfully. We can also revise the item after we finished editing the item specifics or variations like so. Let's hover over an item and select Item Specifics. We make the necessary changes, and on the bottom we have Save, and we can select the actions that we want to be accompanied with the save. In this case, we would select Revise Listing on eBay. Then we are sent to the next page where we have to select the details that we want to revise. And once we select the relevant options, we click Revise. It will start the job and show its progress. Then we can see it as finished on the right-hand side here. And once it's finished, it will update the listing on eBay. Then we can do the revision after we have edited our product variations. Again, we make the necessary changes, and on the bottom we have Save and Revise. And by clicking here, we are taken to the same page as before, although here we have the boxes already pre-ticked, as these are relevant informations that will be revised for the product if we've edited the variations. the job would start, and then it would appear on the right-hand side as it did earlier that it finished the job. That about explains what listing templates are and how to revise an item. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, or if you want to keep up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.